you.
It's a beautiful day today.
Come here.
Dump truck and tractor are playing basketball on the court near the river.
It's my time. Come here. Okay.
Oh no!
Oh
The
my
basketball
God.
fell into the river and floated away.
Look at this. It's a disappear.
Dump truck is sad and crying because they can't
What's
play.
next?
Huh?
Don't do that.
Tractor.
I got it.
Tractor
Who's
has an
next?
idea.
Hey, you. Come here. Let's go.
Dump truck.
Huh?
What are you doing? What is this?
He calls the construction vehicle rescue team for help.
Come here.
Purple dump truck brought a basketball mold kit.
It's my time.
Hey!
Nice.
Everyone poured the material into the mold and pressed the shape.
I like it. I got it. It's amazing. Hey, you.
The new basketball is ready.
Cool.
Huh? Oh no!
Okay. I got it. Hey, you. What is this?
Now spray it with pretty colors.
Come here. It's amazing. Transformation.
Finally, everyone put up a fence along the riverbank.
Come here. Look
Now
at
the
this.
basketball will never fall into the river
Yay!
again.
It's my time.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.